Bob.
Hey, Arnold.
Bob was with me for 1 week. What's going on? Why come from me 1 week, and how you feeling?
Well, I'm feeling really great now. I really enjoyed the food, and I think it really helped me. I came because I had a high PSA reading and a heart valve that was leaking
Wow.
a little bit, and I expect it'll take a while of being on the diet before things get really right. But I really have a lot of confidence. I really appreciate, Arnold, your efforts to give me information and teach me how to do some of the things. Cooking a little bit of food that'll do the right thing for me, not cooking, but preparing.
No,
I know better
preparing.
than that now.
Ah, damn.
Yeah.
There's no effort, right?
Yeah. But I feel, there's a lot of things that feel better already in only a week, so.
Like what?
Well, my sinuses, I think, are a little clearer. I got to kind of think. There's a lot of little things. I've been sleeping better at night. I haven't been getting up as often to have to use the bathroom. Let's see, what else? Urine stream's a little stronger, and I just feel better.
You had a choice
Skin
between
things.
medically and raw, right?
What's that?
You had a choice between going medically and going. What the doctors tell you?
Well, yeah, they suggest, you should get a biopsy or something like that, It's like, I didn't want to have to create any additional problems. I knew enough to know that those things weren't good for you, and there were natural ways of taking care of it. I looked into a number of them, and I really like yours the best. So, and I've been enjoying the food a lot. So if you don't enjoy it, you're not going to keep it up.
You travel. How many miles you travel to get here?
I came up from Florida. It was 1,200 miles. I came to visit family
Came to
too,
visit
but
family, yeah.
I'm so fortunate that they live in the area, so they knew about you.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I know you've done a lot for other people. I've talked to a lot of them that have been in here, and they've really been improved in their health drastically. So it's really been good. Really appreciate it. Been enjoying coming here every day.
Rock and roll, living dream, super excited.
Yeah, a lot of nice people here.
Yeah.
Good fellowship for, people like to talk. So it's been great. Been wonderful. Unfortunately, I got to go back to Florida. Well, fortunately.
You're driving back, right?
Yeah, I'm driving this morning today. Starting out now.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, Bob, it's been a pleasure being with you. I hope you're an inspiration to hundreds of others.
I will definitely.
My goal is no disease in this world. That's my personal goal.
Yeah. And you're doing a great job.
It takes a lot of people to do so because,
Yeah.
I tell people to either go medically or go raw. There's almost no compromise.
I agree. Totally.
You agree?
Yeah.
And my way is next to nothing, right?
Yeah.
Not my way, but I'm called natural hygiene.
I know. No, you're doing a great job, and I'm just so appreciative of you and all that you've done for me to help me out. So.
Okay, live with Bob at Arnold's Way. Say hi, Scotty. We're getting ready for a game changer. Hopefully Mike shows up soon. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.